Alrighty, guys. It's been a little bit over a year. Well, actually, it's been almost a year since I've done a fire alarm collection video. Sorry. So I thought now would be a good time to update you guys on my collection. So we'll start off with the system, and I'll show you what it contains. First off, we have the Silent SK2 conventional fire alarm control panel, complete with, let me find the key here. Complete with 2 zones and 1 notification appliance circuit. Edwards 278B 111. Excuse me. Edwards 278B 1120. Conventional pull station, dual action, left handle, pull fire. System sensor non-ADA mass. System sensor i3 2WB 2-wire conventional smoke detector. This is system number 1. This is my conventional system. Over here, we have my Simplex 4010 that everybody's been seeing lately. Simplex 4099 9003 dual action adjustable T-bar. Wheelock ZRS remote strobe. EST Integrity 4-wire horn strobe. 1575 candela is kind of blurry, but there we go, it's coming back. Yeah, 1575 candela. Now, over here on my little cart that I have some of my collection in, up here I have some pull stations. Firelight BG10L. Notifier NBG10L. Excuse me, Firelight BG10. This is just a traditional BG10 because there's no key. So, that was a mistake on my part. Firelight BG8. Notifier NBG12L pull station. Siemens MSI-10. Originally adjustable, now conventional. FCI MS6, which I still do not own a key for. Along with my Johnson Controls MS2, which I do not have a key for. I do need a key, so if anybody can spare me one, I would sincerely appreciate it. Simplex 4251 20 T-bar, conventional pull station. I own 3 of these. Edwards 278B 1110. This is the one with the screw. Whereas my 1120, gotta focus again, dang it. Hang on. There we go. It's coming back. See, my 1120 has a key. Those are some of my pull stations, not all of them though. Let's go below. We have some more in my collection. We have MAEH. This is my newer one, and I'll explain why I have 2 of these in just a second. This one actually works a lot better than the other one. This is my UMHT Simplex 4903 9427 True Alert 110 candela. Let's see, Spectral Alert remote strobe, Spectral Alert classic horn strobe, EST Genesis back there, Wheelock MT 24 LSM, and the True Alert is a Wheelock RSS, and behind that is a Wheelock V7001, which is basically a 34T, or excuse me, 3424 behind a strobe plate. Below here, Siemens UHN S17S, Simplex 4903 9217, Wheelock 7002T back there, Gentex GOS, Wheelock 34115 AC horn, Wheelock 7002. And that's part of my collection. It's not all of it. And in fact, the rest of it's over here, which we're going to go take a look at now. As you can tell, this collection video is going to be a little bit short than the other one. Alright, let's take a look and see what we got in here. Alright, we got Simplex strobe plate, 2003 strobe plate, Space Age AV32 light plate with flasher circuit. Simplex 2901-9806. This is the original version, or actually, this is the secondary version with the fixed-in grill, with a Simplex 2903 light plate. And here is my Gentex HG124R ESL ADT pole. Let's see, Gentex Commander 3, Special Alert, Advanced P2R, my Smart Sync True Alert 4903 9418, Special Alert Classic Ceiling Horn Strobe, EHSDL1, Exceeder in there, 4904 98 remote strobe, Agent Release Notifier Pulse Station, which I don't understand why my key does not work with this thing. 4901 9822, another EHSDL1, Exceeder, Special Alert Advanced P4R, MIZ, Horn Strobe, LSM, Gentex Commander 1, SCI strobe with Gentex GX90 horn in it. That's my custom. Everybody's probably known about that for years now. Let's see, here's my 4903s down here. Let's just move some of these alarms. There's two. These are electronic. There's the 1919, and there's another one back there. These three, let's see, these two, and this one right here, these are all electronic ones. So there's a 9236, 9237, 9238 in there. Let me remove some of these alarms so we can dig deeper. Special Alert Advanced HR, Gamewell Sentry. This is my other MAEH, which actually does not, it works, but some of the tones on it don't work, which I don't understand why. It's probably something with the circuitry, so I tried using some hot glue in there to fix it, but still doesn't work. Some of the tones don't work on it. Command 3, ADT pole, still trying to figure out how to work that thing. Federal Signal eye strobe, EST horn strobe, forgot the model number, it's somewhere in there. Wheelock outdoor horn, Special Alert Advanced remote strobe. All of these out of the way. Alrighty, we're not gonna go too deep, but let's see what we got in here. We got Wheelock WMT strobe, Simplex 404. This is the 9112. Let's see, I got some Wheelock Aces down there. This is a ceiling mount. This is a vertical strobe that does continuous only. Another Wheelock AS right there. 270 SPO. Some Simplex T-bars back there. Another Wheelock 7002T, and what just fell was actually another EHSDL1. I only have two of those. 12-volt mass horn with a broken strobe. I pretty much explained that so many times already. System sensor mini horn. Simplex 2901 9833. Siemens UHNMCS. ADA mass. This is a traditional mass. Let's see, this is the strobe right here for that mass horn. This is my other Simplex remote strobe. This is my 4904 9137. Simplex 2901 9846. This looks like a 9838, but this one is 9846. Which says right on the bottom right there. This one is 100 decibels, whereas the 9838 is 87. Wheelock NS. I have another Wheelock NS somewhere down there. And down here is my 4051. Yeah, I keep my collection up right below that. Right down there, you can see it as another NS. Let's see. Maybe you can see some other thing in there. See right there? See that white thing where my foot is? That is a Wheelock MIZ 12-volt horn. And guys, I think that's it for my collection. I can't seem to find anything else I did not explain in there already. Put these back. And this is how I store my collection. I keep it in this crate here. I keep some of my collection in that cart. And everything else is back on the firewall. And let me go ahead and explain something to you guys. This is a sneak peek to System Test 30. I have 2 systems up. So as you can probably tell, I already ruined the surprise. So, but anyway, guys, I know this video was a little short, but actually it's already 11 minutes. Wow, never mind. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on System Test 30 or possibly another video. But this was my fire alarm collection for 2012. I hope to get more for my collection soon, but unfortunately, I did not get that job at Sbarro, which I am really disappointed in. But you know, things happen. But definitely, hopefully soon I can get another job. I did start school, so I will be pretty busy from time to time. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.